A split-phase induction motor is a type of single-phase induction motor that has two stator windings, a main winding and a starting winding. The main winding is connected directly to the power supply, while the starting winding is connected through a resistor or a centrifugal switch. The starting winding has a higher resistance and lower reactance than the main winding, which creates a phase difference between the currents in the two windings. This phase difference produces a rotating magnetic field that starts the motor. When the motor reaches about 80% of its synchronous speed, the starting winding is disconnected by the centrifugal switch. The motor then runs on the main winding only. Some of the characteristics of split-phase induction motors are: they have low starting torque, about 1.5 times the full load torque. They have high starting current, about 7 to 8 times the full load current. They have low efficiency and power factor. They are suitable for small power applications that do not require frequent starting, such as fans, blowers, pumps, etc.